How to use DSers with eBay. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use DSers with eBay. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on DSers and on eBay, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is DSers, it is an e-commerce platform primarily designed to streamline and automate the dropshipping process for online sellers, particularly those using Shopify and WooCommerce, in which it serves as an official AliExpress dropshipping partner, allowing users to place hundreds of orders to AliExpress suppliers in just a few clicks. So now to create an account, just simply click the link in the description or click the login button or sign up using the get started button on the top right. And after signing in, we can now proceed by going to our eBay and make sure to sign up in here using your seller's account. But as you can see, I already signed in my account in here, but not as a seller. And also in using DSers with eBay, there is no direct integration between these two. But there's also other way on how we can start connecting DSers with eBay using some other platform. And that platform that we're going to use to start using the DSers to eBay is this Shopify, in which it is a leading cloud-based e-commerce platform. So all you need to do is simply sign in your account in here, then you will be directed on this homepage, and it will show you on the left side panel some of the options to navigate. But from here to start, just simply go to the online store or the search bar and search DSers in here. Upon searching DSers, you should be able to see the result upon searching on it. So you should see here this DSers, which is this one. By clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you the overview about this application on Shopify, including to import, edit products, and how to update stock and prices. So now to proceed, just simply click the install button in here. After installing, you should be directed on the page where you need to sign in your DSers account and connect to your Shopify. So as you can see, I've now successfully connected here my DSers account to Shopify. And now after successfully connecting DSers to our Shopify, the next thing that we need to do to install in our Shopify account or store is simply to install the eBay that will help us to integrate the DSers product into our eBay account in here. So just go to your Shopify once again and go to the search bar in here and search eBay. And simply click the search to Shopify App Store. Then you will be directed in here and it will show you a variety of options of application that you can choose from. But in this option, kindly proceed by simply choosing the Shopify Marketplace Connect. By clicking on it, you should be able to see the overview of application, and just click the install button below to proceed. In which, as you can see, it is also free to install. And using this application, you can sell products from different marketplaces. Upon clicking the install button, you should be directed on the next tab, or the next thing that you need to do is to simply install this application in our Shopify. So just click the install button right here once again. Upon doing so, you simply wait for it to load until you should be able to see here that this Marketplace Connect application has now been successfully installed in here. And this is basically what it looks like, as you can see in here. And upon successfully opening this Marketplace Connect, the first thing that you need to do is to simply click Connect Account to this eBay. Upon choosing it, you simply click Acknowledge and Continue button. And after that, you should be able to see here that the next thing that you need to do, or the next step upon connecting your eBay connection, is to simply sign in your account on eBay. So you should be able to see on the pop-up window after signing in your eBay account that this is basically what it looks like. So kindly proceed by clicking the next button below here. Upon doing so, you simply choose here the next button once again, but it will show you in here that you can navigate here to track the ready to list, close match, and no match of some of the listing on Shopify products. But moving on, upon clicking the next button in here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply click again the next button. But you should be able to see here below the order import settings that you can navigate also. And under taxes, I'm going to send sales to Shopify and click the finish button. Now after that, as you can see, we have now successfully connected our eBay account in our Shopify in here. However, since I don't have my seller account in here connected, I'm not be able to transport or import in here the products from DSers. But basically, make sure to have your seller's account on eBay to do that. And now after successfully connecting our eBay and DSers and our Shopify, we can simply go to our Find Product section on the DSers and simply import here the products. So to do that, kindly click or select here the product that we want to import to our Shopify and proceed by clicking the button in here. Upon doing so, you can simply click check button to proceed and you should be able to see here the product. So kindly click this one and click push to store. Now it will show you your Shopify store. So you could also click some of the options in here or navigate the pricing, but just click push to store button below here. But you should be able to see here some other alternative products also. And now upon pushing it to our store, you should be able to see here the status in here, in which all you need to do is to wait for it to be fully uploaded or imported to our Shopify store, in which it may take some time, but all you need to do is to wait for it to load in here. And after successfully waiting, you should be able to see here that we have now successfully importing to our store this product. So when you go to your Shopify and click the products option on the left side panel, you should be able to see here the products. And if you click on it, it will show you all the details that has been successfully imported or transferred. So it will show us in here the description, the product image, the title, the tags, and many more. But in order for us to transfer it to our eBay account, just go to this marketplace, connect and click the listing section. But you should be able to see here the list of the products. However, make sure to also have a seller account in order to import the products to our Shopify directly to our eBay account in here. So you can click here this eBay account and choose the eBay in here. However, since as you can see, I'm only using here my eBay account and not the seller one, I'm not be able to transfer directly or import the product. And basically the same process is how you can start importing a product from DSers to our Shopify and also Shopify to our eBay account in here. And also using DSers in conjunction with eBay can offer a significant advantages for dropshippers and online sellers, particularly in automating and streamlining operations, in which while DSers is officially integrated with AliExpress platforms like Shopify, sellers using eBay can still benefit by leveraging DSers to source products from AliExpress efficiently, in which the platform allows users to manage bulk orders, find cost-effective suppliers, and automate the fulfillment process, saving time and reducing manual errors. So basically, you can use DSers also to transfer or import the products to our Shopify, and also using Shopify, you can transfer the product importing to our eBay as a seller account. And aside from that, DSers can also help maintain accurate stock levels and pricing by syncing with suppliers. But overall, that is just basically how you can use DSers with eBay. Thank you.